7 traits of a woman that all men love to chase. Wouldn't it be great to be the woman who could attract any man she wanted? If you're single, you're undoubtedly aware that guys may be picky about who they date. Men, like women, typically have an image of an ideal woman in their heads that they are drawn to. Being beautiful is undeniably important, but it is not everything. Even if a woman isn't very good-looking, she might nevertheless attract a lot of attention. The key to attracting men is more than simply being beautiful. It takes a lot more. Let's find out about the traits of a woman every man loves to chase in this video. But before we start, if you are new here, do not forget to subscribe to the channel. If you want to learn how to be a high-value and strong woman in every area of your life, including in your relationships. Let's get started. 1. She is not easy to approach, yet she is approachable. Women that are hard to approach and have an arrogant demeanor are unlikely to succeed. Those who seem overly friendly, on the other hand, give a signal that they are easy. A woman who all men want to chase will be a cross between these two categories. She will be friendly and pleasant to speak with, but she will not be overly flirtatious at first. She'll be outgoing, pleasant, and confident. 2. She isn't too available. She is not going to make a man the focus of her universe simply because she likes him. He'll have to prove himself in her eyes. She will not drop everything simply because a man calls her. Therefore, she will not give the appearance that she has been waiting for his call and for him to ask her out for a long time. She is not a pushover either. She appreciates her time and expects a man to do the same. 3. She regards a man as her equal. She will not always prioritize his needs over her own. She does not feel that a woman should make greater sacrifices in a relationship. She sees a man as someone who is ready to reward whatever she does for him. She will sometimes go out of her way to make him happy, and he will enjoy those rare moments much more, since if they happened all the time, he would take her for granted. 4. Underneath her feminine appearance, she is a strong woman. Appearances may be deceiving. A man will not recognize her strength at first. It will take some time to get to know her, and he will understand what she is made of by listening to her life experiences. She dislikes being the center of attention, therefore she never boasts about her strength. Her behaviors will reflect the strength she gained from her traumatic experiences. 5. She avoids nagging. She dislikes the tone of her voice when she begins nagging, so she avoids it entirely. She understands that not everything can be flawless, and that she must tolerate some aspects of a man she is interested in that bother her, since she expects the same in return. She is open about the things that worry her the most. She picks her battles carefully, but she never nags. 6. She speaks her mind. When it comes to her, there is no reading between the lines. She is direct and honest about her ideas and feelings. She would never say anything hurtful to anyone, but when it comes to her own life and issues that concern her, she will not hesitate to speak up. She will not play games or give any guy cause to hope in vain. He will know if she wants him in her life or not. 7. She is reasonable. She fights fairly when she fights. She is aware that she is not flawless and that mistakes may happen, but she will not hesitate to apologize. She is not frightened of having disagreements or bringing up things that did not go well for her. She avoids unneeded drama and thinks that an open mind and honest communication may overcome any difficulty. Well, that's about it. Hope this little video helped. Thanks for watching.